Hey friends, if you wish to zip a file with password, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now I have a folder here and I wish to zip it with a password. So open any browser and search for the word 7-zip. I highly recommend this software because it's not about zipping files quicker with this. It has a lot more functionality and it's a very useful software product. So search for it in any search bar. Okay, I'll search for it here. 7-zip and then download it. Click on download and download the latest version to your system. And once downloaded, click on the exe file and then click on yes and then click on install to install it on your system. Now once installed, go back to the folder, right click on the folder and select show more options and click on 7-zip and click on add to archive. Now change the archive format to, let's say, zip, because I prefer zip. You can prefer something else if you want to, and change the encryption method to AES 256. Now write the password. Okay, and then re-enter the password because you need to be sure, and then click on OK, and it has password protected the zip file. Now let us try opening it and open it with the file explorer. And are we able to access the details? Yes, because we have entered the password already. Was this helpful? If yes, then please let us know in the comment section of this video, and please subscribe to our channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.